What is cannabidiol? Well, cannabidiol is an oil that comes from cannabis. Now, there are two kinds of cannabis plants. There's marijuana, which you get THC, and then there's hemp. And hemp does not have any THC in it, and it does not have any psychoactive effects. And the cannabidiol is safe, it's effective, there are no significant adverse effects to it, there's no toxicity, and there's no drug interactions that are associated with it. With all those things on its side, it seems like the ideal substance that could be used in a lot of the conditions that we're working with. Let me give you an example of what it's been effective for. In particular, inflammation, and that's what I want to talk to you about tonight. The other has to do with pain and giving a localized, an analgesic effect, so a pain relief, an immediate pain relief. And it is calming and relaxing so that people immediately have a reduction in their anxiety, their angst, their concerns, and a muscular relaxation that occurs as well. So you get a host of particular benefits, these sort of beneficial side effects that go on with it without any significant adverse effects occurring with it. We know from the literature and animal studies and cell cultures that it is an immunomodulator as well as a neuroprotectant. So it's protecting the brain cells, but it's also protecting all the other tissues, particularly in injury. Now, what is amazing, and you're probably familiar with this term, the adaptogen concept, Casey. So that is exactly the role that cannabidiol seems to fit in. It restores homeostasis, and it balances between, I like to call it the Boy Scout of molecules, because it always does the right thing in the right situation. In some cases, it's actually increasing inflammation to affect a cellular death. Maybe that's a cancer cell or an abnormal cell. But on an injured cell, it improves the healing. So you have an improvement and you have a enlivening of that particular tissue as a result. And it's smart enough to know where and when it should be used at. So extraordinary ability and extraordinary adaptation to those situations that we encounter. And in study after study, we're seeing those particular benefits that are going on with it.